All right, so we're back with another video on the 2021 VX Cruiser High Output, and this one's going to be a quick one just focused on those mounts right there. We're going to show you how you can get some RAM mounts for those, for your GoPro, cell phones, what have you. So let's get it out on the table, show you what comes with the kit. All right, so what we've got here are RAM mounts, and I'll put links down in the description for these. These I bought off of Amazon, and what these are, it's a three-piece kit. So this is kind of your starter of the whole process. This is what screws into the Waverunner, and then that will sit there. This arm will then be kind of a riser for your GoPro or whatever it is that you're wanting to mount, and then this will go in the top, and it's all pressure fitted here, so very sturdy. You can hear that's metal there, so very very nice, well made product. So let's get it installed and show you what it looks like. All right, so there's the mount installed on the Waverunner. You can see you can position it any way you want, spin top, bottom, different angles, whatnot. And again, there's all sorts of different accessories. This one is a mount for a GoPro, but you can get cell phone holders, all sorts of different mounting options. I'll show some video that I took yesterday of this in action. You can see how the camera just moves with the Waverunner, get different angles, you know, forward, backwards. If you want to do speedometer, you can really position the camera anywhere you want. So again, I'll put links in the description below, but a great option if you're looking for some accessories for your new Waverunner. That's all I've got for this one. We'll check you on the next video, but be sure to like the video and subscribe for some more. Thanks.